You're going for We Love Dogs.
We love dogs. Can we get a one-word suggestion, please? Anything at all.
Pancake.
Well, I saw her doing over here.
Barbie doll.
Barbie doll.
Barbie
Right.
doll. Okay. That's actually 2 words, but okay.
So, I'm so excited to finally be like at your place. Our first like, sleepover together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
You're the only one who came. For the sleepover.
Yeah, I know. It's just like, we've been dating for a while. I thought it was just gonna be us.
Yeah. I'm just letting you know. You're the only one here.
Good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping would happen.
Yeah, I broke up with all the rest of them. Just like we talked about.
Good.
So it's just you.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I choose you.
Ted, that's fine.
I'm so sorry, you seem so sweet. I snuck in through the door.
Ted.
I'm his mom.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
Wanted to let you know.
My mom was in the yard. She came through the sliding glass door.
I live in a.
She lives in the yard.
Next to the shed.
This is an arrangement my mother and I have made.
It's very convenient. It is. I just wanted to let you know that your Barbies are on the menu table. Thank you. And Tino's Pizza Roll is part of the project. It says 3 timers for you, so if you don't hear the first one, listen to the other 2.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Great night, honey. It's so nice to meet you.
Enjoy the yard.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Dad.
Mom.
Thank you.
Thanks. What? I need to be alarmed. Sometimes I don't hear them. And then just, pizza rolls get burned. I get deep in Barbies, and I don't hear it. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, this is our first night.
First night alone.
So, I thought you were more of like a G.I. Joe type of guy.
G.I. Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you're like a baby. Everybody knows that. It's real adults.
How's my little Teddy doing?
He's doing pretty good. He's doing pretty good. He has a real sweet girl over there, but she's a looker. She kind of looks like the Malibu Kim doll, but if you dye her hair black, you know?
That's my boy. That's my boy.
He's a brilliant pop star, he is.
Taught him well.
Oh, you certainly did. Well, listen, I mean, you landed this big catch, so. Oh, you still got it, sweetie.
I love it.
I love you too.
So, let me get this straight. He had Barbies on his nightstand.
Yeah. And his mom lives in his yard.
Yard.
It's in the yard. Like I
And eating the grass in the
Well,
yard.
no. She comes in and makes the pizza rolls.
Well, he had pizza rolls. I mean, you didn't tell me there were pizza rolls. Like, that's a reasonably high-class date.
I mean, I have a pros and cons list.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So the pizza rolls are the pro, and the Barbie is the con.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the, I mean,
But I'm in love with him.
well, I guess that's sort of a tiebreaker, isn't it? I feel like, I mean, I know we're just work friends, and this might be oversharing. But,
Are you in love with me?
although, well, I mean, it's just those couple of dreams, but nothing serious. I married a guy once who had a lot of Barbie dolls, and it really didn't go well. I think that's a red flag, and I think I should pay attention
Thanks for meeting me. I
he is charged. Sorry, I'll just be down here.
Okay, that's fine. I wanted to make my case because I'm also in love with you. Just yeah. Oh, hey, back off! I'm a G.I. Joe. Get out of here! I'm Ken. I'm Combat Ken. Yeah, right. Look at my arms. Look what my arms do when I squeeze my legs. Hey, that's. Oh. Get away from me! Get away from me! Oh no! Oh.
Yes, anyone interested in dessert?
Oreo pie.
Okay, for the child, man.
Order pizza rolls.
Sure, sure, anything for you, my lady? My lady.
Yeah, I'll have also an Oreo pie.
2 Oreo pies and an order of pizza rolls. Coming right up.
Thanks, Uncle George.
Real fancy place, huh?
I was thinking maybe we could have a sleepover.
Sure. At my house.
Does your mom live in your yard?
Hey, honey. There's a lot of spiders in the shed.
Brought you some food. Here, I'll just.
No, the spiders are gonna get it. No, you can't put it on the ground like
I'm
that.
sorry. I don't know what
I need to move back into the house. What did I tell you?
I'll call the exterminator right away, Mom. I'm so sorry you have to deal with it.
I don't need a bunch of extermination chemicals around me, around my bed. I just need to be back in my own home.
You got a spider problem?
Yes.
I'm the organic exterminator. I don't want any chemicals.
Thank God.
Right?
Well, what I really want is to move back to my home. So I need you to be around my son and say that this shed is untreatable and I absolutely have to be back in my home.
Yeah, I was going to do that. It's the organic way to get rid of these spiders. Fool your son into thinking that the shed is untreatable.
Honey, I need more food!
But I have a girlfriend.
Well, I didn't plan on this. All right, look, I'm an organic exterminator. I don't deal in love. I don't know how to give you advice about your girlfriend or what to do with your mom who lives in the shed. I'm an exterminator. I get rid of bugs. I do it well.
All right, Joe. So, exterminator training, it's been a breeze for you. You're a natural. You're a natural, bugs hate you. Rodents hate you.
The word's out there, and they hate me.
Yeah. So, I'm very impressed. But there's one unit of training we didn't go over, and that is that people are going to dump their psychological problems.
I have not been ready. I've been dealing with a lot of family drama,
There's
a lot of
some
heartache.
there's some videos for you to watch.
But we decided last week we're not doing the videos anymore. We're going to do a live role play, remember?
Oh yeah, the videos are very outdated.
Oh, I love the video.
They're from the
No,
80s.
Oh, I love that.
This is much better.
They're from the 80s.
I'm here for the live action role.
Right.
Oh, right on time. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so, no, you stay there.
No.
The way this works is we're gonna role play a situation, and
Okay.
then we'll stop, and you need to say what you would say if you were the exterminator. Okay?
So you are.
You are, because we know you're an awesome exterminator.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can
Working man.
absolutely you can do this.
Okay.
All right. So, Mom, I told you you have to stay in the shed.
Stay in the shed.
Absolutely. The shed is the best place for you. I decided that.
The termites.
No, wrong answer.
No? I want to use a bug. In the role play.
scenario.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, that was nice.
All right.
Oh my god! I might kill myself. There's so many bed bugs. There's so many bed bugs. I'm so itchy. I don't know why I live with this
My leg is
anymore.
inflamed! My leg is inflamed!
It's so itchy.
Gasoline! Gasoline!
That's not organic.
My Barbie dream house.
I know.
Full
It's
size!
amazing. Isn't it
Full
amazing?
size! Ah, the elevator! The elevator is amazing!
And look, look, out in the driveway.
Whoa!
The car.
The
The convertible, the pink convertible.
Whoa,
Wait,
whoa.
we have to drive it.
I don't know how to drive.
Let's just try it. Come on.
Okay.
Barbie can do it. How hard can it be?
Yeah, right?
All right.
Whoa.
Look, it's got a white steering wheel and pink tires and
It's all plastic.
convertible. I know.
Wow.
Oh, it feels so real.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
It's gonna go?
Yeah. I'm gonna
Okay.
turn. That's a key. I'm gonna turn the key.
Wow.
It's an old-fashioned car. So we have to actually turn the keys.
Okay. Wow, plastic is
People driving
fantastic.
these plastic pieces of shit.
I know.
There we go. Top speed, 15 miles an hour. Feel the wind in your hair.
A little bit. Yeah.
Excuse me, the light is green.
Does that mean
Take it easy.
I'm having a baby!
Child of dreams.
the light is green? It means he's having a baby? I'm confused. Okay, let's try this pedal. Okay.
I hate these new cars. Go around
Yeah,
them.
the wind's really in my hair.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
With bugs.
Yeah,
Bugs in my hair.
Yeah, this windshield is bullshit.
Ladies, you know why we pulled you over? My partner here.
Because our car is so cool, you just had to talk to us.
Because our colorful pink hair was flowing in the wind.
No, we don't care about any of that. There's no license plate on this vehicle. Really no seatbelts.
Officer, my wife's in labor. I need to get her to the hospital like tomorrow.
I'm in labor. Can we get an escort? Stop trying to pull me out of the car.
Just go around.
What?
Just go around.
They're in the way.
I don't want to get out. I want to go to the hospital. I want to get out. Oh, the car. Yeah.
Yeah, just drive.
Really?
Give me a ticket.
Don't give us a ticket. I'm having a baby. I will not have this baby born with a debt.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
You're the only one that said it.
Mazel tov. This driving thing is really interesting. I didn't know it was this interesting. Yes, sir.
Excuse me. I know this isn't related, but we have an elevator and a pool at our house, and the pool has a water slide. So I don't know if that helps. We're having a party about it. Yeah, we're having a party.
Come on, honey, you always want to water bird.
Privilege?
Yes, actually.
What?
We care about our
Yeah,
Water bird.
You're right.
Yeah, these two with the kid again? What the hell? Drive around!
No, we were gonna drive around, but then we heard that there was some kind of pool, and I want to have my baby.
Yeah,
in it. Okay. All right, we're here.
All right, honey. Come on, dog. We need-
All right.
We got your breathing coach here.
Really quick, doctor, what I want you to do is just keep this really juggling, and I want you to inhale and then exhale more than you inhale, okay?
Woo! Sorry, I had to try out the water slide. Sorry.
Don't worry, as soon as the baby's born, they're gonna come around with drinks for everyone, too. The little umbrellas, you know, like the
Little Barbie house drinks? Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted my baby to be born in this Barbie house.
Well, I've never delivered in a Barbie house pool, but I'm just so excited for this. Okay. Now,
Right, the little pink Corvette there.
before that, sure, the diving board, aim for that. Okay.
I'll aim for it. Yeah, the water will make it easier for me to aim. I wanted to land on the diving board.